Hi everyone, this is me Saminzee. Welcome to my channel somycrafty. I am here today with an elegant, beautiful, colorful beaded crystal beads bracelet. I hope you would like it. It's very beautiful. It's made with multi-shaded crystal beads. As you are watching on your screens, this is floral design bracelet, and I have joined all flowers, beaded flowers with jump rings. It's up to you. You can change the colors combinations. You can make with silver jump rings and silver matching beads. These are material details of today's tutorial. Very beautiful, my favorite colorful crystal beads, jump rings, seed beads, gold, and 0.20 mm beading thread we will use for this project. Beading needle size 11. And now let's get started. We picked 6 seed beads A2. We will make double knots to start our work, and then we will make beaded flower design bracelet is today's tutorial. So we have started first flower, 1 crystal bead, 1 seed bead. Skipping 1 seed bead, we pass through crystal bead, and then we pass through one of middle seed beads. In this way we will add total 6 crystal beads, and very easy to make it, but it will look very elegant bracelet when you have made it. You would like it. Very easy. We will make following same pattern, total 5 beaded flowers, and then we will join all these flowers with jump rings, and then at the end we will add gold chain to this bracelet with clasp and jump rings. Very easy pattern, very easy bracelet. Continue making the easy steps. This was the last crystal bead of this flower, and now you can see this flower is complete. We will make some finishing knots, and then we will cut off working thread, and in this way first flower is ready. And following the same pattern we will make total 5 beaded flowers for this bracelet. So we have made 5 flowers. Now we will add jump ring to join these flowers. We add jump ring, and then we will add 1 seed bead, and then we will join other flower. In this way 2 extra seed beads will be added. 2 more seed beads will be added in jump ring. In this way, we will join all beaded flowers to each other with jump rings. Each time with each jump ring, we will add 2 more seed beads, 8 gold. As you can see on your screens, in this way, we will join all of 5 flowers to each other with jump rings. And in this way, our 5 beaded flowers are joined to each other with jump rings with seed beads. And now the last step, we have to add a chain, golden chain with clasp and jump rings to our bracelet. We added a jump ring to chain, and then we add one end of bracelet to this jump ring, and one jump ring will be added to clasp, and then we will attach this jump ring and clasp to our chain, and the second end or other corner of our bracelet, here we are adding one jump ring for clasp. In this way, this bracelet is complete now and ready to wear. Very elegant, very delicate, beautiful bracelet with multi shades is here for my dear friends. I hope today's bracelet you would like it, and you will make it for yourself and for your friends. And at the end, as usual, I have made some videos and photographs of today's project for you, for my lovely viewers. Enjoy these pics and videos of today's bracelet, and I will say bye now. Take care of yourself. If you like my work, my videos, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to comment. Now I will say bye. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.